Hi, in this tutorial we will experiment with the images. So first of all we will open an image. We will go to open and then we will select any of the image available. So let's say we are selecting this one and then click on open and then that file will open. So now we can see multiple items and we can play with them. So let's start doing something. So let's use this tool which says free select tool. So basically we can just select the one or any of the item which we want to extract out of the image. And we have to keep pressing the key, the left key of the mouse, and then we have to make these 2 points meet, the starting point with the ending point. They have to meet and they will form a circle like they are forming over here. Then we can see the selection. Now we can just go to edit, we can go to cut, and then we can just go to file, new, and create a new image which will have that item. So now we can see that item to be there. In case that file hides, so just click on Windows and then the file name, and then that file will appear. So now we can see that image over here. So just to make it more clear, we can use eraser tool which is over here. So first of all we have to zoom, so just click on this magnifying glass and then select the area which you want to zoom in. So now we can see the area is visible, so just a bit more in depth. And now we can select this image further. To get rid of the extra space, the area which is not of this particular item, and then we can just make both ends meet and then click on delete. And if that doesn't work, then just go to eraser to erase the thing. So it will not rub any area beyond the selection, so the eraser will work within the selection. So these are small tips which you need to keep in mind while using Gimp. Also we can use eraser tool without any selection, but then this particular pointer is having large area, so just to make it smaller we can go to the eraser tools options, then we can just reduce the size by decreasing it. Now we have smaller one which will help us in removing the unwanted area. So this is how we use the eraser tool to remove the area which we don't want in the image. Which makes the object which we want to stand out and do not have any unwanted areas. So here we have almost managed to remove all the necessary unwanted area. And in case you make some mistake like this which we made over here, we can go to edit, then undo eraser, and then further. So keep on doing it, or alternatively control press Ctrl Z and you can remove a bit from here. So now it's sort of okay. And then just to zoom out, you can just select zoom out over here and then press. Yeah. So now we have this object, and now if you want to play with it, we can just go to filters. We can apply various kind of filters. So let's say we want to apply lens flare or supernova. So now just click, and now we have a supernova over here. And if you want to undo it, you can just go to edit and then undo supernova. We can try other filters as well, like cartoon. Now we have applied cartoon filter and it made it a bit unrealistic. So this is how we apply filters. We will be covering these in details. This is just to give a feel of what kind of features do we have in Gimp. So for extraction of any image out of the image, we can just go to rope tool, which is free select tool, in which you have to hand draw the region and then you have to cut or just delete whatsoever you want to do with it. In next video we'll be covering fuzzy select tool. Thank you for watching the video.